Hey Savvy friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be working on the Mini Monday binder. Happy Mini Monday. I hope you had a great holiday weekend. Back to reality, right? I can't believe I'm going to do this to myself, but I'm actually adding a new box challenge. This is a box challenge from Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets, and it's called the Home Sweet Home box. And she uses this for her 1 month ahead. So I thought to myself, I do Mini Mondays a month ahead. And how boring is it to just stuff $5 in every category? So I took the $60 and I broke it down because we're gonna do this instead. So stick around, we're gonna do Mini Mondays in a month ahead box. So how is everybody doing? It is hot as you know what here. I don't know whatever your you know what falls in that category, but it's hot here today. And it's going to be hot for the next couple weeks. In case you can't hear it in my voice, I hate the heat. I hate the heat. All right, so let's see what we got. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. All right, we're going to put these spicy fives in here. So I just finished Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets playlist, which was so much fun. There were some videos I missed because I just let it run overnight. But she has a bajillion and 5 box challenges on her Ko-fi, and most of them are free and they're just fantastic. And then she's got a couple that you can purchase. But this Home Sweet Home one is free. And I'm like, whoa, I can do that and put it in my 1 month ahead instead of just boring stuffing $5 and doing the snowball. I mean, it's great, but I want to play. So, all right, let's play today. I'm going to roll do I have a paper clip here? Yep. I'm going to roll a 3-sided die and see how many bills goes into this one. Let's get going, friends. This binder feels so flat and empty. That's what happens when it's, the first week of the new month, right? 1, oh, come on. 3. And 3. So I finished Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets, which, like I said, was so fun to watch her. And then I also finished CBA Mom Saves. And now I am on to Overthinking and Budgeting 1, playing her playlist right now. It's paused though because I don't want to. Sometimes when I'm working, I work from home. I have it on my iPad, and I'm not watching, but like I'm listening and watching. It's next to my monitors. I have 2 computer monitors, and then I set my iPad up like kind of on the side, so I'm listening / watching. And sometimes that's good, and sometimes it's not. It's bad because I'm like, oh, let me see what they're doing, and then I want to change my whole thing around. But for the most part, it's fun. I get to listen and get to know. And what is up with the ones? I mean, does this want me to keep playing forever? It's nice to listen and get to know people in the community. 1, 2, and I have 2 left, so I'm just going to put it in here, and we're going to start on number 2 next week. So let's swap around the paper clip and put it here. Let's move this to the side and see how we did. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's see. All right, I'm not counting it because I learned not to count it because I'm just going to end up counting it again. All right, this is Bookish Mama Budgets. This is $1 a piece, and this is going to car maintenance, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God, I think it only needed 11 to finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so we'll put this one back, and let's make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sweet. Ring it ding, 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 ding. I put a mini bunch of paper clips here, not quite sure. Let's pull out this challenge here, and we're gonna do each star is $1. I don't know where this is from. I got this on Etsy. It's a whole set of the whole year. Whoever made them did not put their names on them, so I have no idea. Whose it is, and I'm not going to allocate it yet because I'm not quite sure, but we can color. I feel bad that I don't know who it is, but I don't want to play it because it's really cool. I didn't play the rest of them for the beginning of the year, because I just wasn't sure. I'll figure out where I want this to go for next time, which I think I said last week, and I might not have done that for some of these other challenges, but we'll see. All right, this next one is from Savings with Tracy. It got $3, and this is going to healthcare. So we can color in this 3. And we need like 1, 2, 3, 16 more dollars to finish this one, which is cool. This one has been going on for days, but that's all right because it's a big one. It's 63 bucks, and healthcare, Lord only knows healthcare needs it. All right, let's see. The next one is Norella's Budgets, and it needed 2 to finish, and I got 3. Sweet. Ring-a-ding-ding-dingy-do. 2, and what's this? This one's going to car maintenance. Everything's going to car and healthcare. But now I got to bump up my husband's sinking fund because while I said he wasn't going to go to the Mets game, he went to the Mets game. He went to the Mets game. Yup. And that cost, I had to sell my diamond. No, I'm just kidding. It was very expensive, but whatever. He wanted to go. Mets-Yankee game. He took my son and him and one of my son's friends, and 3 of them went because I wasn't going to go. It was way too hot. Way too hot. I would have died. I am almost 50. I am in the thick of perimenopause right now, and I could combust in an ant step with a hot flash, like in any second. So anyway, this one is Budgeting with Jenny. I got this on Etsy. Again, a whole set. This is a save 60. And I don't know where I'm going to put this one yet either. So I will figure that out. And I still have to allocate June. I haven't done my... haven't emptied out my June finishes yet to put the money in there to see who gets what and what goes where. All right, this next one is mrsneat.net, and this got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one is going to the kitties. So here is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna mark these. I used red last time, you can't really see, so all right, there we go. Yep, going to the kitty fund. Oh, there's more bills in here. Wait a minute. Yep, nope, it's right. Don't panic, Stephanie. You got it right. And 5. So it turns out that there are a lot of you who crochet. Ha! Who would have thunk? This is from Budgeting with Jenny. Also the same as this one, Budgeting with Jenny. I got these on Etsy, her Etsy shop. She's got a bunch of cute little annual challenges. This got almost all the 5s. Holy crap. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. So let's do the 3 5s. 5. Oh, that was a horrible color. 10 and 15. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's do this 3 right here. Oh my God, those are awful. I don't know why they came out so bad. Anyhow, and this one is going towards anniversary, which I also have a box for. I don't know if I'm gonna play it on camera or not. It's a possibility. It's CBA Mom's Sweets box. I love box challenges. This is her box. Look, I already got some anniversary money in there to play with. This is her sweet savings box. Oh my God, they're like $2 or $3 on Etsy. Go get you some. All right, this is Saving Dough with Key, who is also on my playlist. I can't wait to watch her playlist. She is the OG popper. Wow, she got a lot of money up in here. This one is going to Escaro. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy moly. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, I'm going to fast forward you guys on through this. And this one, yep, going to Escaro. Oh, isn't that adorable? Oh, that's it. That's the last one. I'm on a roll like we used to do 12. Remember when we did 12? That took a long time. And it took a long time and a lot of money, and hard to get challenges finished when you do 12. Anyhow, all right, that's it for that. So we got some new challenges in there I need to allocate, so I'll set that aside. We finished 2, so I will put $2. Well, I'm going to put these in the front here because I have them separated, and I'm going to put $2 in my Save with Tracy. Ding, 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 da ding, ding, da ding. This is Corbett, and he gets $1 for every challenge that you finish. I have officially decided, because I know I always say never know what I'm going to do. I'm not going to count this up till the end of the year, and we'll take it from there. So see, oh my God, I still have June in here. So this is all June, and then this is July. Maybe on Wednesday I'll film that. I'll film June. All right, so let's start this box challenge. I am so excited for this. Let me just make sure we're still filming. We are. Okay, let's go. All right, so I usually put $60 a week into my 1 month ahead. So we're going to play $60 a week with the 1 month ahead. And let's see, these are the cards. I kind of semi-laminated it. I don't have a laminator, official laminator. I have the laminator pages. So what I did, well, I didn't laminate this one because you don't use it, because I want to use this a few times, and it was a lot of pages to print. So I cut the sections, and then I stuck it on the paper, and I only laminated the one side. So that's what we gonna do. This way I can wipe it off. The first couple I laminated both sides. I'm like, that's stupid. It's a waste of sheets. So I laminated one side, and then the cards, let me move that out of the way. The cards, they have some bonuses on them. Like here's one with a bonus. So I cut the laminated sheet, and I just put the laminated piece right here. I'm hoping you can see the reflection. So I can use the bonus and then wipe it and do it again. So I hope I did a good shuffle on this. I've watched her play it a couple of times, and I was like, oh my God, that's such a great idea. Because I like when the box fits what its purpose is. All right, so let's do this, and we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. So yeah, we got 60. So what I did, let me get my little tray, put my dice over there. I don't know if I'm gonna need the dice or not. Put this here, put this here, put this here. Okay, so first card. I love these box challenges. I just love them. All right, so we're gonna look for the bed. I didn't look through this either and like cheat to try to find things. And this is all, I'm so excited. I love to play these. Do I play them well? Do I often make mistakes? Absolutely. Does it matter? No, because everything is going in. 9, holy crap. So 9, and let's do this bonus here. So we're gonna color 9 and 3, so that's 12, 10, 11, 12. And I'm not gonna cross this off until all 3 are done. That's how she plays, that's what we gonna do. So this one will go back into the rotation, and all right. So like these have no lamination on them at all, it's just regular paper. So this is a chair, which is right here. Come on. All right, there we go. And you know what? So this one is $6. So we're gonna color this like this, and then do 5 and 6 in here. And this one is done. And she has one envelope of the cards that are in play and one envelope of the cards that are used. So I have to get another zipper pouch because I cut all the zippers off my pouches. I hate them. All right, let's see what we got next. A mitt. All right, here it is, save $1. And she did say that some of these are high numbers. Like, see, this one number is 9. 9's a high number because this is meant for like a bigger savings. But if you need something that's smaller, for smaller budget, she's got animals and cars and going to the zoo. And I can't even list them all because there are so many. She got tons. All right, next is the TV. Kitchen, let's see this, TV. I don't see no TV up in, oh, here it is. TV is 7. Whew. We're gonna do the first bonus here. So 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But she does box challenges in lieu of a lot of, oh, ×2. Like she uses box challenges to save her a purpose. She has a birthday one and she uses that to save for her birthdays. Okay, let's find the chair. Anyway, I'm not going to keep going on and on about her box challenges. Just go get you some and play them because they're phenomenal. All right, so we have 5 ×2. So let's do 5, 6, that would be 12. You know what, let's make it big. Let's do 5 and 4 is 9. And 9 times 2 is 18, because we want some big money up in here. 16, 17, 18. All right, there it goes in there. This one goes back into play. Times 2 goes back into play. All right, and she explains every single time she plays. She explains what she's doing, which makes it so much easier to play someone's game, because then you know how to play. Not that there's really rules, but all right, this is 7, 5, 6, 7, and I am also one who, in case you don't know, I do not do IOUs. I'll put this over here so I don't write on myself. I do not do IOUs. I will not do IOUs because I feel like it takes away from the future playing money. So I will either, if there's extra, I will save it and roll it over to the next month, or I will just stick it in an envelope or play a game with it at the end. She's got like a fill the pantry game here. All right, let's find the mitts. Mitts. There's one box challenge she played, and each section was allocated towards 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each section was allocated for, you know what? Wait a minute, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, let's just do 1. Each section was allocated towards a sinking fund, which I thought was a great idea. Anyway, you just learn a lot from watching other people. I don't know what you learned from me, besides how to make mistakes and knowing not how to count, but... All right, so here we got 2. Let's see what we got left. We have 3 left. Perfect. So we can do 2 and 1 bonus here. Fantastic. Oh my God, that worked out perfectly. That's awesome. All right, so those will go back into play. I will shuffle those back in. Let's put this back together. So thank you so much, friends, for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. 10, 15, 10. Wow, there's a lot of money in here. Did I do that right? What the heck was it? I know I did it right. Oh, the big chair. That's right. This chair. Yep. Okay, because one wasn't marked. I'm going to not doubt myself. Anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I really appreciate it more than words can say. This community has just been absolutely amazing in the budgeting journey and saving journey and paying off debt journey and prepping for future journey and all that jazz. So anyway, if you're looking for some amazing box challenges, CBA Moms has a bunch on her Ko-Fi and her Etsy, and Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets has a bajillion box challenges. If you can't find one that you like, you shouldn't be in this budgeting community. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye, friends.